Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rajneesh Singh. Today we are going to explain motorized deadbolt lock and electric bolt lock, and we'll explore their functions, principle, pro cons, uses and standard along with certifications. Okay, so without wasting our time we are just going to explain these things. So see how much locking hardware is there in access control. Like it's not limited to this. It can be more, but we will discuss this much because this is very mostly we are using this type of lock in access control system. So we already discussed electric stack lock in last video. And now we are going to explore and explain motorized deadbolt lock, electric bolt lock. Okay, so as you see here is the motorized deadbolt lock and electric bolt lock pictures. So this is actually this is actually a motorized deadbolt lock. Okay, so we are going to move further slide, next slide. So in this slides we have covered functions and principle. Okay, so motorized deadbolt lock and electric bolt lock, also referred as a electric drop bolt. Okay, like electric drop bolt and electric solenoid bolt, use an electrically driven mechanism to extend or retract a solid metal bolt. When power is applied or when a valid access command is granted, the motor or solenoid actuate and allowing the bolt to either engage or retract. So here it's basically it will work on this motor and solenoid actuator. Okay, so when motor will be there, so it means this is motorized deadbolt lock, and when solenoid will be used in their function, it means this is electric bolt lock. Okay, so when this will be when access will give the command, and then this motor will actuate, motor or solenoid will actuate, and this will allow to bolt either engage or retract. Okay, so drop bolt are commonly used in glass, slim aluminum doors, specialized frame where other locks are not suitable. They come in fail-safe and less commonly used in fail-safe cure as well. Often incorporate status monitoring, contact and auto relocking timers for secure integration. Okay, so as you can see, these are the pictures. This is motorized lock, and this is electric bolt lock. And if you see, this is the key cylinder which they are using going to use for the key, and this will be they can use this that key to open this, to move this bolt. Okay, next one. So this is just we categorize this in different segment. For motorized, we'll discuss first motorized deadbolt lock again, and then we'll discuss electric bolt lock. Okay, so what is their functionality? Use a motor to extend and retract the bolt. So as we already discussed, we are using a motor like to extend or retract the bolt. This is bolt, and here motor will be used to extend and retract. Can be operated via keypad, smartphone app, RFID or biometric key inputs, and often include a manual override like key or thumb turn. Okay, so design installation perspective, typically replace traditional deadbolt hardware and fit into standard cylindrical shape prep for prep on doors and common in residential and small commercial setup. So this is design and installations. Next one is security features. So for strong mechanical bolt resist force entry. So if you will use like strong mechanical bolt, so it will resist forced entry. Otherwise, it could be break if someone will try to open the door by forcefully. So these like whole door will be only closed with this bolt. So if this will be not too strong, so it can be door can be break. Okay, some model offer auto locking, temper alert and remote access. Okay, so this we discussed about the features, security features. Now next one is power sources, like what type of power sources required. So this required, like this is just battery powered, usually double A and rechargeable lithium. And next one is for this low battery or low battery alerts are standard. Okay, so this we discussed about the motorized deadbolt lock. Now we are going to next slide. So next slide, electric bolt lock summary. So this here this will work over the solenoid. Okay, so electric solenoid will use to push or retract the bolt, and this is also controlled by like this lock can be controlled by access control systems like using cards, reader and keypad biometric. No manual override unless integrated with the mechanical release. Okay, design installation perspective, surface, it could be surface mount, flush mount on door and doors, on frame and glass panels, often used in access control systems for commercial building and server rooms or ALB setups. Security features, like bolt engage only when door is properly aligned. So if door will be not in aligned, so this bolt can be engaged. Okay, this can be fail safe or fail secure as well. Okay, next one is power source, required continuous for triggered electrical current, typically 12 volt VDC, 12 volt or 24 volt DC. And as like this other part is in power source is integrated with the building power sub power or UPS backup. Either you can also integrate with the UPS or building power. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about the pros. What is the advantage of the motorized deadbolt lock and electric deadbolt lock? So we are going to combine both in one. So functions were different, but benefit could be in like in one page. Okay, so this looks aesthetically discreet, means this could be conceivable with the door frame and locking hardware kits. Okay, and next one is like positive locking action, so provide a physical deadbolt engaging into drilled receiving hole or strike, making force opening difficult. Auto relock timers. Auto relock timers can be programmed, like this can be programmed to auto relock after preset period. Like if you will preset like after 3 second, after 6 second, it could be lock, that door could be locked, door has to be locked, so this will be locked automatically. Okay, next one is compatible with the access control, like we already discussed, like this all type of hard locking hardware are going to be compatible with access control. That's why we are just learning these type of locking hardware. So so next one is cons. What is the disadvantage of these type of locks, like so the first disadvantage is installation complexity. Okay, like this is little complex to install. We need a proper uh, well experienced technicians to install this. Okay, next one is power requirement, like because this door is could be fail safe and fail secure, so we need a power requirement for this. And not suitable for fire doors, not suitable for some doors type. Okay, no mechanical override, like most do not support key override. Okay, next one is uses, where we are going to use these type of locks. Sorry. So motorized deadbolt locks combine mechanical strength and electronic convenience. They are widely used in smart homes, apartments, keyless entry via app, PIN or RFID, remote access and auto lock, multi-user access for guest and staff. Okay. So benefits are easy installation, enhanced security, remote control, and user-friendly access. Now, bolt lock are solenoid driven and designed for high security environment. They are commonly used in electric bolt lock uses, office and server rooms, integrated with access control system, fail safe or fail secure, cabinet drawer, high security zones. Like what is the benefit? Precise control, compatibility with access control systems, long life solenoid operation, flexible mounting options. Like here we are using solenoid, so this could be long life. Okay, but when we are using motor, so motor is a mechanical. Okay, so mechanical could be wear and tear after some time of period. Okay, so now this is the installations, like how we are going to install and where we are going to install. So for motorized deadbolt lock, it's mounted on standard wooden metal doors, replacing traditional bolted bolt. Okay. Exterior side features a keypad or touch screen for keyless entry. Interior side include a thumb turn or motorized knob for the manual control. So interior means inside, in secure side, we can provide a thumb turn or motorized knob. Okay, like from outside you can open through the key and something through the card reader, but from inside you can just use a thumb turn. Okay, bolt extend horizontal into door frame, common in residential home, apartments and small offices. Okay, next one is electric bolt lock installations. So this is also we can mount on surface or embedded, like inside, flush mount we can say, like inside the frame. Okay, and bolt extend vertical or horizontal into strike plate on door, required precise alignment and electrical wiring, integrated with access control system, card reader, biometric and keypad, used in commercial building, server rooms and ELV setups. Okay, so see, this is the integration and compatibility. Like these doors, these type of locking hardware uh, can be integrated with which systems, app, doors, and like and compatible, like is this compatible with which door type and like where. So this is just integration and compatibility we are going to discuss for the motorized deadbolt lock. Okay, not for electric bolt lock. So motorized deadbolt are designed for residential and small office automation. Their integration features includes smart home platform, wireless protocols, mobile app and cloud services, manual override, door compatibility. Like if you see, uh, as you see this smart home platform means you can use Alexa, Google Home, Apple Home Kit, smart things, other ecosystem to use to open the door and lock. And this could be wireless, like this type of doors can support G-Web, like G-Web, Zigbee, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, depending on the model. Because in market there are so many variety of locking hardware is there for that motorized lock. So it's totally depend upon the manufacturers. Uh, okay. Next one is mobile apps and cloud services. So it could be controlled by mobile apps and cloud services as well. So some branded offers some applications like LA Access, is Scaleg Home to lock and unlock the doors and to manage their user controls, user codes. Next one is manual override. So most model include a key hole or thumb turn for mechanical access in case of power or connectivity failure. So like in secure side, if someone will be inside the room, so they can use that thumb turn, okay, to open the door. Next is door compatibility. So fits standard cylindrical bore holes on wooden or metal doors. Installation kits often include adjustable back set and strike plate. Okay, so this one is electric bolt lock integration and compatibility. So this electric bolt locks are built for commercial grade access control system. Their integration features are includes like access control panels, like this could be compatible with these type of panels like ZKT, brand ESSL, HID, Honeywell, and other ELV controllers as well. Power requirement like this require 12 volt or 24 volt DC, often with fail safe or fail secure. Next one is for this signal interface. So support NONC relay output, door status sensor, lock status feedback, and can be wired into fire alarm system for emergency release. Okay. Mounting flexibility. So this is suitable for glass door, aluminum frame, wooden doors, cabinet, surface or flush mounted option available. Okay. Security integrations often paired with the biometric readers, RFID panel, exit button, and surveillance system for layered security. So here are some standard for the motorized deadbolt and electric bolt lock. So standard are there, like we have categorized this standard as per their use, and like first is the primary use, like on the basis of use, how we are going to categorize this motorized deadbolt and electric bolt locks standards. So this is just we are going to use in smart residential and smart office security motorized deadbolt lock, and electric bolt lock like commonly institutional and ELV integrated, and like this, like you can say this is going to be installed in like highly secured area, and this is just for normal like smart residential, small office security. Okay. Mechanical standard, like this is the standard which we are following, ANSI BHMA A156.36. What they tell? They are telling performance and durability of the electronic deadbolt. And same for electric bolt lock, the mechanical standard are UL1034. This is explaining burglary resistance electric locking mechanism. My means if someone is trying to open the door by forcefully, so this lock can can be know like this is this there someone is trying to open the door by forcefully, so this can be give the command to our access control. Okay, next one is electrical safety. So electrical safety, there is a standard like UL 294. So access control, and it's related to access control system and components, and it's also similar to electric bolt lock. Okay, wireless compliances. So wireless compliances required FCC certifications for Wi-Fi, Zigbee, and G-Wave Bluetooth models. Okay, and for electric bolt lock, we not required any wireless because this is not working on wireless based. Okay, if we'll if we will going to talk about environmental compliances, like how much environmental compliances like RoHS, CE marking, IP ratings, so these are required for the motorized bolt lock. And electric bolt locks, like it's also similar to this, but this we have to add EN 14846 for European, and for India it's required BIS. Okay, smart integrations like motorized deadbolt lock can work with Alexa, Google Home, Apple Home Kit, any smart things. But electric bolt lock can integrate with access control panel, biometric readers, and fire alarm systems. Fire alarm. Fire safety. Some models is supported fire rated doors in motorized deadbolt lock, and electric bolt lock must support fail-safe and fail-secure mode for the emergency release. Okay, means in motorized deadbolt lock, like this is normally it's not supporting any fire rated doors, but some models they are making, but not all models. Mostly it's only fail safe, it's not fail secure. Okay, but this could be fail safe and fail secure, that's why this required a emergency release, and this has to follow the fire safety. Okay, standard. Installation compliances. So for motorized deadbolt lock, it's fits standard cylindrical borehole. So in motorized deadbolt, we have to fit standard cylindrical bore holes because we are going to install inside motor in that lock. So this will work. The bolt are going to be engaged and retract using motor only. But here it's not no motor required. It's only work over the electric solenoid. So required a precise alignment with strike plate, often surface mounted. Okay, so these are the standards, and now some certifications are mentioned there for motorized deadbolt lock. I hope you guys are understanding what we are discussing here. Okay, so motorized deadbolt lock and electric bolt lock certifications. So you can see some certifications sign is there. So if you see somewhere like CE, so this is CE. What is CE? CE means European Safety, okay, environmental standard. And CE and ROHS, if you will like this comes along with, okay, but this is different certification. This, but this mostly this will comes along with, okay. So CE and ROHS, and this is FCC. FCC, if you notice, so this is required only for wireless. Okay, FCC. Eval listed means under laboratories listed. Okay, so this is required for fire safety, fire related equipment. If any equipment has a UL certifications, means this are certified with the fire. Okay, so we can use in fire system, like this can be protect against the fire. And And that's it here, like about the signage. These are the signs, okay, for the certifications. And if you see here, motorized deadbolt lock and key certifications. So as you know, like this ANSI and BHMA A50 A156.36, this define operational performance and grading, okay, operational performance and grading. Next, UL294. This will ensure safe operation within access control systems. Means if any product has UL294 certifications, means that product has certified, like this is ensured safe operation within the access control system. Like we can use that product in access control system for safe operation only, okay. FCC means FCC required for wireless communication compliances, like you see Zigbee, G-Web, Wi-Fi, okay. So FCC is for this, required for the wireless communication. Like my mobile phones, this we can use as a wireless, like Bluetooth and something. So this mobile phone is FCC certified, okay. CE and ROHS, like European Safety and Environmental Standard. IP rating, I hope you all are aware, like IP is related to water and dust resistance in outdoor models only. Most of the speakers, outdoor cameras and speakers and any outdoors models are required IP rating. Now your earbuds, mobile phones also coming in IP rated only, okay. Electric bolt lock certifications, like this, see, UL 1034 means accesses physical resistance to temper and force entry. Means this will define, like if any force entry will be there, means uh, this will explain, this is this will explain, like nobody can and do the force entry, because this is certified, accesses physical resistance and tempering, okay. Next one is UL 294, so this validate electrical safety and reliability, okay. Next one is EN 14846 means European standard for electric lock and strike plate. CE, C already, like C and ROHS standards, like this will ensure safe and eco-friendly component. Okay, BIS, this is only applicable in India. India has a mega certifications, yeah, for the access control devices and other stuff as well. Like required for local compliance and Indian safety standards. Next one is fire safety integrations must support emergency release protocol and fire alarm compatibility. Okay, these are the certifications which we discussed. Now we are going to next slide. So next slide is for the manufacturer list. So manufacturer list is just like who are manufacturing this motorized deadbolt lock and electric bolt lock, okay. So there are some company, not limited to this, but more company are there, but some top brand are there, which are making these products. So motorized deadbolt manufacturers list is there, ZKT. So this is China and India region, like, okay, mostly we are using, and also in Dubai also, okay. And ESSL, this is India based, okay. So ELB, compatible biometric and RFID systems. HID global, this is USA based, and Secure Eye India, Old Arc India, Soil Taiwan, okay. Next one is for electric bolt lock. So इसके लगे, this is USA based, and LA, this is global brand. Quickset, Quickset USA, Godrej India, Samsung Korea, Cuba, India. Okay, these are the manufacturer list, and this is, I hope we have covered all the things, and we have covered all the things, and for the motorized deadbolt lock and electric bolt locks. In next chapter, we'll learn different locks, and if you have any query, any suggestions, anything you required from us, so just let us know. Our team will reach out to you to explain and explore the things. Thank you so much for to learn the things. Okay, bye bye. See you.